Hi there, I'm Trish Balcaen. I'm the CEO of Balcaen Consolidated Contracting. Balcaen is a company my dad started in the late 60s that's focused on forest harvesting, firefighting, road building. And he grew from that to purchase the Coldstream Ranch a few decades ago. And here today I'm standing on Coldstream Ranch lands where we have a helicopter operation going in conjunction with our conventional equipment. The job is really about addressing fire risk from fir beetle that's gotten into the trees up behind some homes. We view it as an obligation, but also a safety, addressing a safety risk to take this work on, just given the fire season we had last year. So with log markets as strong as they were, we could finally afford to bring in a helicopter operation to take care of this work on a very steep slope. What's really exciting about this job for me is it's the first time that we've combined a helicopter operation with our conventional equipment. So we're supplementing the helicopter with a processor and a loader. And where we've really been able to find efficiency is using the processor to process and deck at the same time, and use the loader strictly for loading out logs. So last fall I was looking for a processor, and as many were dealing with supply issues, caused me to look around a little further than I normally would have, and brought me to Great West Equipment, where I started to look hard at the Volvo. When I checked in with a number of the contractors that are using them, I heard nothing but good things. So we purchased a Volvo processor from Great West last fall, and while it's a different machine than we've traditionally used, it's turned out to be excellent in terms of matching production with our deer and cat machines, but where it's really saved us is on fuel. And and I would say that the service that we receive from Great West is second to none. Same day, if not next day service to make sure that we've got the machine producing the way it should. So that kind of service and the experience we've had with the Volvo also led us to take a good hard look at our Madill loader, a 2007 machine that had the mechanics to make it worthwhile to relife versus purchasing a new one. And that relife program has turned out to be an excellent way of keeping costs down and keeping the machine up and running. I've found that Great West has been remarkable in the level of service they provide. They make you feel like they're part of your team or your family. And logging these days it's a tough business, so having people like Great West at your back really makes a difference.